My background is in paint and body work. I went to school for that sort of thing and worked in that industry before where I am now with Clear Bra and paint protection. So I can see quality work, and so he does quality work. I can recognize that, and it's nice to know that that's what I'm going to get. Having to have your car fixed is not like a exciting thing necessarily, unless you're like restoring something and it's a positive experience. But he does a good job at going through, again, what your expectations are, what you're looking for, and he's a good listener, and he puts his team to work and they deliver what you ask for. Their specialty skills are what they're known for. What James and I have kind of a valued relationship is that we understand each other's expectations. Those are clearly communicated and we get what we ask for. So that's the reason we take our stuff to ICS Collision. There are other shops that we do work with. James is just, I would say, a friend, and runs a really nice team over there, and they make everything nice and smooth for us. It's kind of a drive down there, from where we are, but I would rather have our expectations met, and have a positive experience, just a smooth experience from dropping the car off, getting it back. Everything looks like it should, so it's worth the drive. All the work that we've gotten back from them has been up to or beyond our standards, and that is a match with our business model. Our customers expect a lot from us, and James and I would say, expect a lot from each other.